can't go in front. You gotta go in front, alright? I'll keep my head down. Can you guys get in front and we'll run? I'll already run behind you guys, okay? No. We're gonna line up. Right. Okay. Everyone else, give us covering fire. We're gonna make a run for it. On the left side. And now we go right side. Now we go right side. We're gonna go on. Alright. Why is everyone listening? I am your leader. Listen to me. Alright, who wants to be my shields and protect my head? Technically you're dead. Alright Matt, if I can run, I'll hit my head down behind you. Alright? But if I get hit in the head, I'm dead. Alright, everyone who's still alive, give me covering fire, I'm gonna run!
I said yes. Ready?
No, I'm just gonna run out there like an idiot.
Ready?
You gotta go first, Matt. Alright? I'm last!
I'm back up.
Technically you're dead. Alright.
Oh, nearly back there.
Alright, so do we walk up? The car? Is it safe to go to the car? Someone give me covering fire. I'm gonna run behind this guy and dive behind the car. I'm gonna run behind you and dive into the car. Is that gonna be safe?
Ready, go. Go.
No, no. Don't push me, Matt. You gotta do. Right. We're gonna do spider like everyone.
Head down. Car, left side.
Shoot him for me, shoot him!
Hey, big guy.
Right. Alright.
No, right side, can't. There's 3 guys watching. No, but no go. Go, left. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ah! Did you hit the head? Alright.